Hello and welcome back. In this video, we're going to talk about working with Bracket, the email encryption service provided by Mail Protector. This email encryption allows you to quickly send encrypted emails to various recipients, and it makes it super duper easy to do. So we're going to go ahead and just quickly review how to get started with Bracket and how to work with it. To send an email in Bracket, what you're going to want to do is just go ahead and click a new email in your inbox. And you're going to write the email to whoever you want to send it to. In this case, we're going to send it to test@test.com. And in the subject line, you're just going to surround it with brackets. So we're going to go ahead and put an opening bracket in. And this email will now be encrypted by Bracket. So when the email is sent, they will not receive this email in their inbox. They instead would receive a notification that says they've received an encrypted email from Bracket. You can enter any contents you want in here. Because it will not be sent by email. The message, once you click send here, will be captured by Bracket and will be processed, and then they will only receive a notification. If you would like to see your Bracket inbox, and this works whether you have Bracket installed or not, you can do so quickly by visiting this website. You go to bracket.email right here. It'll forward you to bracket.email/sign-in, and you simply type in your email address. And this can be for people who are on the Bracket system or people who have received email through Bracket. You simply type in your email address. And what it will do is it will send you an email with a secure link. So you go ahead and flip back to your email, and in just a moment, your Bracket email will come in. And you can either click the sign-in button or you can copy the sign-in code and paste it into the website. In this case, we'll go ahead and copy the code. And you paste it in, click submit, and you're logged in. Once you're logged in, it looks very much like a regular email service provider. You can create a new message within Bracket so that you don't have to send it through Outlook. So you can do this from like your phone or something like that. But even if you have your email installed on your phone, Bracket should still function normally. Let's go ahead and discard this. From here, you can go ahead and click in to view emails. And these are emails that have been sent through Bracket. And you'll see messages that you've sent as well as messages that you've received. It functions a lot like a web forum. So if you've ever used a forum before, you'll see messages and responses below. And you can see the list of recipients. Attachments are available, and you can send attachments that are up to 200 megabytes in size through the Bracket system. So that's Bracket in a nutshell. One more setting that you might be interested in is the accounts under account settings. If you scroll down, you'll see two more sections here for additional security. You can set up two-factor authentication. This will basically require that you enter a code that's sent to your phone when you try to log in through Bracket. So this is SMS two-factor authentication. You can also set up what's called a personal data key. I recommend that you use this option with care, because if you forget the key, then your data will be lost. So this personal data key is very secure. It's not backed up anywhere unless you back it up. So basically it's a password. It encrypts the data inside of Bracket, and then that data will only be decrypted by that key. So if the key is lost, we cannot decrypt the data. So if you need additional security on top of the encryption that Bracket already uses, then this is a useful feature right here. Keep in mind that this personal data key will only work for emails that are in your inbox. If you send an email to another user through Bracket, when they log in to view the email, they would need to use their own personal data key in order to encrypt that data. So once again, that's Bracket. I hope that you've enjoyed this video and have gotten used to the basic options available inside of Bracket.